Hey guys, Dominic Morrow here from VCS. I'm the marketing specialist. Super excited to be here at Evolution Exchange 2017 at Harrah's Resort and Casino in Atlantic City. We're here for the second time in a row and we are having an absolute blast here. Our customers are having a great time. They're getting a wealth of knowledge from our awesome instructors. Really excited about everything here. Everyone's just having a great time.
My name is Guy DiMemo, VCS CEO, founder, and president. If you had asked me when I first started this company if I'd ever be doing a conference for all of you people in Atlantic City at Harrah's, I would have said no way.
We got a lot of great value out of this because we're meeting people from all over the place that maybe we had an issue that we couldn't figure out because we're new to the system and we're asking a lot of questions. We're able to, get a lot of insight, and then the classes are great where we're learning, more and more about the system that we didn't even know about.
So we made a lot of enhancements to the software and a lot of things happened to our company. The one thing that I was very, very proud of that happened to us this year is we applied and we were accepted into the Inc. 5000 fastest growing company list for 2016.
We're very excited. It seems like it's going to be easier for us, so we will be able to use the app. Our officers are very app driven. We have a lot of millennials, so.
I see now from what I'm learning is once I put that person into that new group or that new assignment block, it will automatically give them the necessary time and kind of build that out. I think it's going to save me a lot of time from constantly managing the moves within the department.
I thought I knew the way of looking at manpower and open shifts, and now it's just one click away and it's much easier to see.
Basically, I think the app, when we roll that out, or the web version, people are going to be excited. So that's going to help us a lot with the way we do business.
If you have any questions, find us, talk to us, and enjoy Atlantic City, and I thank you.